Unit number 6 is water. Water is one of the most important thing in life. 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Plants, animals and human beings need water to survive. Plants need water to prepare their own food. Human beings and animals need water to survive. Sources of water. The main source of water is rain. The rainwater fall into lakes, rivers and streams. Water is also collected underground when it is absorbed by the ground. We collect underground water from human-made resources, and human-made sources are dams, wells, tube wells, hand pumps, etc. Groundwater is used by taking it out with the help of a tube well or hand pump. Dams and canals are also sources of water. Some of the natural sources from where we get water are rainwater, rivers, ponds, streams, lakes and oceans. These water resources are very important for life on earth. If we don't take care while using water, everything in life will become difficult. It would be hard to have enough food, grow plants or have a clean environment. Quick review. Name the following sources of water are oceans, tube well and dam. There are some areas in Pakistan where it hardly rainfall. Therefore, life in these areas is very difficult. So we should realize how difficult life is for the people living in those areas. So the next one is the how does water gets to our home. Water is taken from rivers and reservoirs. From there, water is taken the filtration plant where the water is cleaned. The clean water flows into the network of pipes in our towns and cities. And the fourth step is the all the water then flows into our homes through tap. Always drink clean water. We drink water every day. It is important for our life. We must be drink clean and free of germs. If we drink dirty water, we must become sick. Water must always be boiled or filtered before drinking. When the water resources around us become dirty, we call it water pollution. Water becomes dirty when we keep throwing litter in water. Uses of water in our daily life are: water is used for drinking by human beings and animals. Water is used to grow food. Industries and factories also use water. Water is used by humans to take bath and wash things like fruits, vegetables, etc. Many countries use water to produce electricity. Sources of water are in natural resources are rainwater, river, ponds, stream, lakes and ocean. And on the other hand, human-made sources of water are dams, wells, tube wells, hand pumps. And ways to purify water is there are two ways. The first one is the boil and the second one is the filter. And uses of water are drinking, cleaning, produce electricity, grow plants and cooking. The next one is the exercise. Choose the best answer. Water covers dash of the earth's surface. The correct answer is 71%. Which one is of the following natural sources of water? The correct answer is river. One of the most important thing for us is water. Water is used to cook, grow and wash. So the correct answer is all of the above. Which one of the following needs water? Plants, animals and human beings. So the correct answer is all of above. So the next one is the question, what is the main source of the water is rain. From where does the hand pump takes water from? The underground. Name one human made sources of water is dam. Name two main sources of water in the area where you live, bore and tube well. So the next one is the true or false. The water we drink must be clean and free of germs. True. Water is used to make electricity. True. Taking short showers saves water. True. When water resources around us become dirty, it called water pollution. True. Ponds are a human-made sources of water. False. Uses of water are cooking, cleaning, grow plant, drinking, produce electricity. So the next one is the list the steps in which the water reaches our home. Water is taken from rivers and reservoirs. It goes to cleaning places called filtration. Clean water travels in pipes to town and cities. The water comes to our house through taps. The human-made sources of water are dams, rivers, ponds and lakes and streams. These are the natural sources of water. On the other hand, wells are also human made sources of water, and there are the drying of the uses of water in our daily life: drinking, cooking, watering plants, cleaning, and brushing your teeth. The next one is the additional questions on this unit. The first question is, why do plants need water? Plants need water to make food. Second question is, name at least 5 natural sources of water are raindrops, ponds, streams, rivers and lakes. And the third question is, uses of water are drinking, cleaning, cooking, watering plants and brushing teeth. The next one question is the what is filtration? It goes to clinical places called filtration. The second question is ways to purify water. The first one is the boil and the second one is the filter. The last question is the what would happen if we do not take care of the natural sources of the water. The answer is everything in life will become difficult. It would be hard to have enough food, grow plants or have a clean environment. Four questions on about this chapter is why water is important for all living things. All living things means human beings, animals, plants need water to live, grow and stay healthy. And students, you can remember these 2 points is the first one is the snow is the natural source and reservoirs is the human made sources of water. And importance of drinking water. Why water is important for drinking clean water? The answer is drinking clean water keeps our body strong and healthy. Waste, right, the ways to save water. The first one is the take short part and second one is the turn off the tap. This question is can also be in asked in another way is write the first and last step of the water in reaches into our homes. Write only first and last step. Water is taken from rivers and reservoirs and all the water then flows into our homes through tap. In exam you can also examiner ask to write 2 main sources of water, dam and hand pump, or either ask name 2 natural sources of water, rain water and streams.